Hi, we're Anithra
I'm Rahaal.
and we're the co-founders of Bold, and you're watching Dish It Out. And it's pretty simple.
I mean, my taste is pretty simple, so everything that I like, she already likes, and probably.
Yeah, they're similar, they're not different. My most useful item is probably my espresso machine. It's used every morning. And useless, probably all the condiments I have in my fridge, to be honest.
And for me, I don't really cook, so I can't answer that question. Sorry.
Butter. Butter makes everything.
I think the tuna, in general in Sri Lanka, people don't really like tuna. I think the best dish I bowl is the tangy tuna.
I honestly can't remember. Probably anything my mom cooked. It's difficult to get her to cook these days, so probably something that is.
I would say my mom's love cake.
I didn't know you like that.
Just my mom's.
I'd probably attempt to make a rice and curry.
Yeah, I don't cook, but if I had someone cook for me, it would have been rice and curry.
Scrambled eggs. I make a really good scrambled egg.
If I were to impress someone, I probably won't take the easy way. But since I don't cook, I'll probably order something from out, which is super easy. Yeah.
The catch, guys. We clash with everything. Constantly. Where do we clash the most? I think
Everything constantly.
creating recipes and getting the exact measurements kind of drive each other we did actually. Bowl was
We were brainstorming and a few things came up, but it didn't stick to even consider.
yeah, it was always bowl. How to put cling wrap on things without it crushing. When my chef showed me, it made it seem so simple. I had no idea.
Again, don't mess around in the kitchen like that. I can't answer that question.
And a very different size. A dirty kitchen, a messy kitchen, an unhygienic kitchen. Probably make a grilled cheese, or I put together Milo and ice.
Me, a sandwich with whatever is there in the fridge, I'll just put it together like the combos.
Don't have any sandwich.
We eat.